Coordinator TURA. I repeat, Professor Ratna. Gambir Aparangu Ratna.
This theater group, Ajik Theater, that we established since 2005. And we are trying to involve the students, the youths, those who are interested in this particular field, theater, acting. So we try to involve anyone who is interested. And in the past, we are organizing workshop for the children and also for the adult also in collaboration with the National School of Drama. And recently, we have organized one children theater workshop there in Montport School. And at the same time, we had a production.
National School of Drama not only concentrate on academics only, they they uh, they try to develop society through theater. They use workshop. They organize workshop. They organize theater festivals like Bharat Mahotsav. It's an international, and this is the largest theater festival of world now.
Through this initiative, we seek to inspire youngsters and students to explore theater as a powerful medium of creativity. Theater as powerful medium of creativity, expressions, and social awareness. Our goal is to nurture local talent, strengthen cultural engagement, and encourage a deeper appreciation of the performing arts in our community. That's all.